If you've been to the airport this summer, you know it's been a crazy year for travel. Welcome to David Does. I hope your summer is going well and you've steered clear of all travel delays. I know for me there have been a few close calls that let me running between my different connections, from weather delays to the CrowdStrike outage. What a horrible weekend to be traveling. But I've been thankful that I really slimmed down my gear. I've been traveling with just one bag, my Air Travel Pack 3. I can get about a week's worth of clothes in there, and if I have a washer machine where I'm going, I can be completely self-sustained out of there. The first thing that I did to really slim down and really get into one bag traveling was cutting down my Dopp Kit. What I found was these really inexpensive mesh bags on Amazon. They're super inexpensive. I'm going to put a link down below. I think these are a really solid option, and if you're trying to get somewhere on a budget, this is a way they'll last you forever. But recently what I've been using has been this Toiletry Kit from ALPAKA. Now I used to use the one from Peak Design, but it was just too big. It would not fit in just one bag. It'd take up too much room. This is pretty slim, like it's very flexible. It really only builds out if you really load it up. And I think this is more than just a Dopp Kit. I'm going to get to that in a moment. But first of all, the outside's made of a nice synthetic material. It's sort of like a ripstop, it's water resistant, and also the zippers are nice. They're completely water resistant too. It really just adds up to being a nice little bag. On the inside, there is a divider system along with two mesh compartments where I've been keeping my contact lenses. And I'm making the argument that this is more than just a Dopp Kit because of the system it comes with. So along the back here, you have these little loops, and they send you a few things with this. The first thing is this attachment piece. This is hard to get on. But after you wrestle this onto this loop, it will never come off without you wanting it to come off. But this is a quick attachment point for a wrist strap they send you, as well as just a sling that you can wear around you. So what's nice about this is if you like to travel with a sling bag, you can leave that at home. You can fill this up with your shower equipment. When you get to your hotel, you just leave that stuff at the hotel, and now you have this sling bag. It won't fit an iPad, but it will fit all of your other electronic stuff, you know, your cell phone, if you have a little charger. All of those things will go in here and you can wear it like a sling. And it works incredibly well for that. And that's really what made this worth it to me, to be able to put this in my one bag and not feel super bad about having a bit of a bigger Dopp Kit. You know, it's definitely bigger than this, but it is dual purpose, so that's been working out nice. It comes in a few different colorways, so no matter what your style is, I'm sure you could find something. And it's not super expensive. I think it's about 50 bucks. I'm also going to give one of these away. I've got a few of these and I only need one of them, so it's completely free, no strings attached. You can enter at the link down below in the comments. Overall, I've been really happy with this. I'm going to keep using it out. I just wanted to share this with you and let you know my initial thoughts on it and how it's been fared into comparison with something so simple as this. It's been working out well. If you have any questions about it, do put those down in the comments as well. I'm a small YouTube channel. I love that type of interaction. I hope your summer goes well and your travels are smooth, fun, and exciting. I really appreciate your time. Thanks for watching and subscribing to David Does.